Hey YouTube, what is up? It has been a hot minute since I have been on here, I know. So I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys tonight about blogging or vlogging. I know I've been away from the YouTube channel a little bit, and that is because I have been focused on a lot about my blog, and I'm hoping my computer back here is going to load up faster. And I think it's going to be loading up. Sorry, wanted to go ahead and get that loaded up, because of course you guys know I don't do the flipping back and forth too easily here. So let's see here. I'm just going to show you guys if I can spin y'all around here in a minute. I know y'all like being spun around. But anyway, as you know, unless you're new here, I have been working on my blog a whole lot, Theunpopularmom.com. And guess what, guys? Within less than, let's see, it says July 20th, less than 3 months, I have been able to monetize with my blog and make money with it. And with that, I have been able to actually start doing a website from the company that I work for actually. And then also I have been able to do some social media for her, for my boss as well, for our company website. But I've also been doing a lot of stuff on my blog too. I've actually been getting traffic to my blog a whole lot with Pinterest, and then that's been leading to some affiliate sales. Sorry, this computer is my old computer and it's very, very slow. So I just wanted to go ahead and take a second, try to get it logged in. With my new laptop, I don't have to wait this long to log in, like ever. So I've been making money with a blog. I pretty much what they call services, that are related to blogging. And so also social media. And don't know why this thing is not wanting to load up, of course. So I wanted to take a second and talk about comparing that to vlogging, which of course a lot of YouTubers are doing these days, just picking up the camera and following them throughout their day, whether it's grocery shopping, cleaning, having fun out and about with the kids, things to that nature. A lot of different ways that you can actually vlog. Travel vlogging before COVID-19 used to be a big, huge thing. And it takes a lot before you can actually, as you know, monetize with your YouTube channel, because you have to hit those. Sorry guys, my allergies are horrible. Not sure what exactly that was, but so it takes a lot to actually get your YouTube channel monetized. I'm still not there yet with mine. I launched mine in March, and I've got about 678-ish subscribers. I keep trying to go up. People keep coming to the YouTube channel and leaving, and I don't know. I'm not too sure what's up with that, which I know I haven't been doing a whole lot on the YouTube channel. But hey, it is what it is. I can't control what you guys do. I can control what I do. I can control what I think. I can't control what you guys do or think. So, on the vlog, though, however, there's a lot of controlling that I can do there. Okay, this laptop is just taking forever to load up. And then also this weekend, I've been going through Susie's printables course, which I will leave down below for you guys. With printables, what that is, of course, is just PDFs that you can print out. Sometimes not PDFs, sometimes different things. I've been doing some different kind of PDFs, some calendars, some planners. Most recently, I've been doing some children's artwork that I want to get up. Well, not really children's artwork. I've been doing the cute little animal flyers. I want to get those attached to my resource center. I've also been very busy doing that. I did learn how to do that through Susie's course too. That's wild hair sticking out. Susie's course about resource centers. So with Susie, one thing that I absolutely love about her And she doesn't just show you the steps to getting your blog up and running, which I will be doing a video on that very soon. I'm also doing a video soon too of how to actually start the YouTube channel. I do have a different YouTube channel name created, and I want to just show you guys that haven't started one the actual steps to starting one. So I did create and save that one. And then once I get time to get that one up, maybe this Friday, because I'm off work. Yay. Even though I do love my job a whole lot, I, everybody likes to have time away from the office, or time away from work, at least. Not everybody's actually going into the office. And let's see if I can actually finagle this. Of course, my website's the first one to come up when I type in the word "the." That's because I type it in there a lot. So it is Theunpopularmom.com. So I've been able to make money about three ways with the blog. Well, really two. So the first one is, of course, services. Well, actually, I guess you would call it three. And then creating a website or landing page for my company. I know the two are a little bit different, and I am in charge of all of our social media on the blog as well. I want to find my blog post about the actual not planners, but the actual. I think I may have missed it on that note. Wait for it to come back around again, even though I could click on the dots down below. So a few of the ones that I have been doing is that is not the one I wanted to go to. Sorry, the latest one that I've had a lot of hits to are the keto meal plans, and then those will be filled out for you guys coming up. I want to actually do a video showing you guys of how to get that to your Google Drive, and then you can actually go from there to use it, and then that way you can update it, and it's got a little grocery list on the side there as well. Sorry, I am trying to get that to load. There we go. All right, so I've also created, for those of you who like Bible study, daily reflection, I do actually have the daily reflection printables for you. Cute. I showed them to my coworker, and she was like, yes, I want that. All right, so there's the home page to it. Hopefully that's going to focus in for you guys. And so this cute little thing right here is actually the daily reflection printable that I did. I know it's an unconventional way to show you guys this, but I just want to take a quick second and show you. Get access to the resource library, perfect for any creator. Free printables, templates, and resources to make your life easier. You just enter in your email address, your first name. You click on this pretty pink purple button down here. And it says, give me access, please. And then I'll let you go there and you can see what all's in there. Of course, you've got this over here, this there. You've got the content calendars that's in there. You've got the meal planners that's in there. Keto meal planners is what I'm titling it, because I have been doing keto, lost about 5 pounds so far. And then once you get in there, you can get access to these very cute little daily reflection planners there. And then from that point too, I'll be trying to leave a link down below for you guys if I can get that up on my blog tonight, but it's already like 10:30 at night. And I get up early Tuesdays and Thursdays so I can blog 2 hours before I go into work. And that is how I make time to do all of that. Not sleeping that much, as you can probably tell by the bags under my eyes. But hey, I only have 24 hours in a day. If you need any help getting that plan, you got your calendars over there. And let's see here, what else? Oh yeah, the children's I'll just leave the link down below so you can see how cute they are. I think they're awesomely cute, and thank you, Susie. And then I will leave her link down below as well. You can click that and check out her printables class there. And if you want to learn how to blog, I will be doing some, I've got a 8 steps to blogging PDF that I have created. I don't have it uploaded yet because I actually want to do a video of that. But that is all the resources that I have created for you guys at this point and have been able to upload. And I learned all that from Susie's classes. She has this, the resource center, the printables, and the blogging classes that I've been taking, and they're not expensive. Usually the blogging class is about $47. She does currently have it on sale, I think, still for $27. I'm going to leave my affiliate link, and I do get a tiny kickback from those. And then I will be leaving, in the future, I'll be having some posts that I'm going to do about affiliate marketing as well. And that is another way that I have been able to monetize my blog. Way before monetizing this puppy here. Oh yeah, so about 678-ish subscribers. And then I also have about 645-ish watch time hours so far of the 4,000 needed. And I've been doing this since March 1st. So there you go. Blogging or vlogging, which one's for you? See you guys. Take care. Bye.